we had done a statement. We came here to the DCI as members of parliament, senators. Most of them were accompanied the second deputy president, Rigathi Gachagua, to your funeral service in Bibirioni, Limuru constituency. We came here for two things. One, we are asking the whereabouts of one former MP of Limuru, Honorable Peter Mwadi, who was abducted today when the burial was still going on. Today, we witnessed something that nobody has ever imagined. That the second deputy president, where he was seated at the VIP tent, about 200 to 300 goons who never came from Limuru. They were ferried. They came by buses. And we even have videos of them getting money from some those who are organizing it. And that's why we had come here. Because we have to look for justice. For one, Rigathi Gachagua, our second deputy president. Two, the former MP, Peter Mwadi of Limuru. And the MCA for Bibirioni, Honorable Mkuu. But when we got here, for the first time, the DCI director wants to interview us at the gate. He's asking, what do you want? But we wanted to access the office so that we can give our information, our statement, and he takes notes. When we insisted on getting into his office, he walked away. This is a country that we are living in. That he walked away when the honorable members are here, the people from Kiambu and from all over. Because we are here, leaders of today, leaders of yesterday, and also leaders of tomorrow. We were here. So my point is, we want to ask the DCI, please, you know you are the Subaru. Mr. Mwadi was taken by a Subaru. Please return Peter Mwadi to his house. The wife is here, the children are here, and of course, they want their father and their husband back. Lastly, we want to insist, as the Senator of Kiambu, and the MPs who are here, and the senators who are here, we will not be cowed. We will not stop. We will go. But I ask the people of Mount Kenya and the people across the country, refuse to be misused to harm a brother. Because today, I saw it with my own eyes. They were trying to assassinate one Rigathi Gachagua. They took the metal bars from the tents. They hit his car several times. And they were aiming at the left side of the vehicle. The back left, the seat. But thankfully, he was seated on the right. So today, what we are speaking today, we could be speaking about something different. Today was an assassination attempt for Rigathi Gachagua. And we ask the president and the security, please, it's not a prayer, it's not a request, it's not a privilege. We want you to give back the security to Rigathi Gachagua that you took 2 days and then you organized goons to attack him today and you try to kill him today. What a coincidence that you remove the security, then you send goons with metal bars and axes to try to kill Rigathi Gachagua. We will pray for him, but we will demand for justice. Thank you very much.
Do you have any questions?
But just to address the point that has been made by Senator Karungo, the security of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is a constitutional right. He has a right.
Mheshimiwa, kindly address the cameras.
He has a right as a person and as a leader who has served this republic to the level of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Even if he was not in office, he has a right as a Kenyan. Number two, we actually would wonder, how would a funeral of the magnitude of a funeral that has 6-7 members of parliament, the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, not even one single policeman was there to offer security, and the security team was aware that the Deputy President is attending. Finally, Honorable Mwadi has served the Limuru constituency. It is not the first time that he is attending funerals in Limuru. How would the state feel that his wife, 9 in the night, is here looking for him? We do not even know know where he is. We were here to ask, because it is government big. Where is he? Is he safe? What is his stake? Where is he being produced? Where is he being produced? We go so that we can even understand where we go and look for him. These investigations are not big. And they will not cover anybody. They will not cover the members of parliament here. The resolve of His Excellency the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, he speaks for the people of Kenya. He is even becoming stronger. The more you intimidate him, the more the resolve becomes strong. Maybe if you have a question, you want to just answer one or two questions, and we call it a night.
It's becoming highly dangerous to attend events in Mount Kenya. Where are we headed?
Sorry?
It is becoming dangerous from the look of things to attend events in Mount Kenya.
I will not say that it has become dangerous to attend events in Mount Kenya. Had the bulls not interfered with that ceremony, the ceremony was going on very well. The ceremony was actually very peaceful. The people who disrupted are the state-sponsored bulls. It was not that there was anybody who was fighting in the ceremony. There was anybody who was fighting in the funeral. It is the state-sponsored bulls that made it dangerous to be in such a setting.
And maybe to add on what Mheshimiwa has said, it has been said that eternal vigilance is the price of liberty. This is a call to the citizenry of this country. Today it is Mheshimiwa Mwadhi. Tomorrow they will come for you in your bedroom. Hear me, citizens. None of us is safe if any one of us is unsafe. And therefore this is a call. You can call it incitement or whatever it is. This is a call for all of us to rise and defend our constitution, not for the sake of Honorable Mwadhi, but for the sake of your own very self. You woke up, you voted for it, please fight for it. I'm saying this as a lawyer. We lead from the front, but we want the goodwill of each and every citizen of this country. We are especially grateful for our honorable members, because these are the ones that make our laws. But they make our laws, but the only people that can make these laws realize its effect, it is we, the citizen, because the constitution begins with a preamble, we the people of Kenya. So we the people of Kenya must arise, we must defend our constitution, we must fight for it, because the power of the gun cannot be greater than the power of the people.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your...
It is very unfortunate that we wanted to have a dialogue with the charge security here at the DCI. Wametukataza kuingia, tumefanyia prasa yetu hapa nje. It is very unfortunate.
And indeed, all of them have ran away.
Yeah, they have run away. Walikuwa wanapitia gate 2 ile. And it is very unfortunate if leaders like ourselves fighting for the right of other leaders, we can be denied access to the DCI. What about wananchi wa kawaida?
Mheshimiwa, briefly for Inoro TV kindly.
For Inoro TV.
Yeah, Kikuyu, yeah.
Okay.
Do one bit when I do one bit.
Muthenya wa umuthe twi haha hwaini iriu ni thaa 3 na irorete tukite ni undu wa gucaria kihoto kia Mheshimiwa Peter Mwadhi uria wathuritwo maita meri kuria Limuru, uria uratuika ni anyitirwo mateka akiuma mathiko kuria Limuru, mathiko maria macokire gutuika ni kwagia haro. Ngari cia Rigathi wa Gachagua na bodyguard cia Rigathi wa Gachagua ni matihangirio. Ngari ya Karungo wa Thang'wa ne haha, ngari ya Kagucia MP wa Mukurwa-ini ni amba kumagara ima haha, ngari ya Mheshimiwa wa Kogoya wa kuria Kajiado South aima haha, ngari yake ni huragirwo na Mheshimiwa nake ndereba wake ni arikirwo uru, na ni kumana njukanirira nene yuma kuria Limuru. Na riu tukite guku ni tondu ni tukwendaga kumenya kana uguo niguo gatiba ga Kenya koigite na kana uguo niguo bururi uyu tukutwarithia na mbere. Riu twakinyita na ithuĩ ta ateti aria manyitagirira mwena ucio wa deputy president witu Rigathi wa Gachagua, tondu tutingienda kuigua kundu arahurwo na tondu thiko igire ihitukite ni aratunyitwo borithi ciake ciothe. Umuthi riu ni twamenya niki kiratumaga atunywo borithi, aratunyagwo borithi nigetha atharikirwo itharika ria mbere riuma kuria Limuru, na hemeria guikarite niyo yambire gutharikirwo, cuma ciarutwo, andu manjia kuhurwo na cuma icio, na bodyguard igire cia Rigathi wa Gachagua ni mahuragirwo moko muno, ona amwe me thibitari niguo ndirerwo ndagika ino. Oguo tukukite guku twita ateti tondu tutingikoma ari angi makihurwo angi makinyitwo kia hinya magatwarwo kuria tutoi riu mwashimiwa mwathi tutiramenya kuria ari mutumia wake haha niwe wi haha na ciana ciake ci haha tukite kuria thirikari erekererie Peter Mwathi ereke Peter Mwathi na MC uria onyitirwo wa bibilioni marekererio na mahuthirirwo gatiba ga Kenya okorwo he mahitia mekite matoro igotini na macirithio o ta uria gatiba koigite no uhoro wa kunyitagwo migwateta mikora bururi uyu ri gukite kahana ta wa Somalia uria gutari rule of law na guku ni tuli rule of law na ni twaigua thoni mundu angikorwo kinya munene wa DCI haha okire guturugamia haha bara turagie ciuria ta ciana ati nye ni nywe ana mwathiku aba ujire ritwa riaku na kibandi giaku ni kiriku nigetha nyambe guthikiriria haha tukiguaga heo na turi atongoria angikorwo na manama ni tugwigwo turi atongoria ri waji kuria utari mugambo waji kuria utawe kwiyaririria ni kieha muno angikorwo thirikari na Kenya Kwanza riu iratucokia kuria twoimire miaka iyo hindi iria twarwagira haki citu cia gatiba gaka Kenya. Asanteni sana.